discussed. Before we go ahead, the disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Here is a Nifty's daily chart taken from our website. For the last 6 to 7 trading sessions, Nifty has been trading in an upward trend, I can say, but the overall price movement has not been much higher. The volume has also stayed below average. So overall, it is a muted action on the volume front. On the price front, it is trying to close higher, but it is not able to find the required momentum. Currently, market status is in confirmed uptrend. And if there is any further accumulation of distribution days from here, and if Nifty breaches its 50 DMA, we might change the market status to under pressure. We have been looking out for stocks which are breaking out or which are giving good buy signals to add them to our model portfolio. If there is any stock which among the model portfolio which is not doing good or which is moving sideways or which is underperforming, we will try to exit those stocks from the portfolio. Coming to the stocks which are in news and which will be under radar in the today's trading session, one is Bharat Forge is looking to is it going to invest 105 crores in Kalyani powertrain. Bharat Electronics BEL has received an order worth nearly 700 crores of rupees. Apart from this, there are other companies such as Hindalco, uh, a flagship company from Aditya Birla Group. The company's MD has spoken at its AGM, and Kumar Mangalam Birla has highlighted that Hindalco is looking to expand or make significant investments in India, around $10 billion of rupee, $10 billion of dollars. GAIL India has signed an memorandum of understanding with US-based Petron Scientific. This is to establish 500 kiloton per annum capacity of bioethylene plant and downstream units in India. So this proposed venture will definitely boost India's capabilities in bio-based chemical production, which will be in line with India's our government's agenda of increasing capabilities within the country. Coming to the yesterday's institutional activity, FIIs and DIIs were net buyers. Both they have bought more than correspondingly. If you look at the numbers, FIIs have bought more than 300 crores of Indian equities, whereas the domestic institutional investors were bought nearly 3,000 crores of Indian equities. Overnight, US market closed in the negative territory. Three major indices, starting with Dow Jones, S&P, have closed 0.4 to 0.9% lower, whereas Nasdaq, which is a tech heavyweight index, has closed more than 1.7% lower. Asian markets, as we speak, are also trading in the negative territory. Kospi, Shanghai, Nikkei, all three major indices have trading around 0.2 to 0.4, 0.5% lower as we speak. Let's look at GIFT Nifty's opening and what is it is suggesting for the Indian market. It is suggesting a muted opening for the Indian market. Indian market closed around 24,800 levels yesterday. So similar levels are expected on the today's opening as well. So not a major gap up or gap down is not expected on the Nifty's front. So the chart of the day we picked Interglobe Aviation, that is Indigo. The stock is currently forming a stage 3 consolidation base pattern. It is currently 3% to the pivot as well. The base formation has been very ideal. The volumes dried up during the base formation, which is a very good sign of ideal base formation. EPS rating is slightly lower at 33 because of recent quarter profits. But apart from that, the earnings, sales, and EPS have been growing consistently for the last 6 to 7 quarters. Price strength is also improving. Because of the long consolidation, the RS line has moved sideways, but after breakout, this definitely RS line will trend higher and RS strength will improve more than 75. Number of funds section has also seen a good improvement in the last 3 quarters, which is a very positive sign as well. So overall, it is looking very good on most of the parameters. We have published a report on Indigo as well, and yesterday in the evening. Please look out for that report in the report section on our website. You'll get a more overview of how the company is placed, and few macroeconomical pointers related to the industry as well have been pointed out in the report. Thank you for joining today's pre-bill. Have a good trading session.